And welcome to Grandad's Reviews. Today we're going to have a look at the X-T30 and does it overheat. Now I've had the X-T30 now for a couple of months, used it for video and stills. It packs a punch for a small camera. The features are near enough the same as the X-T3, lacking in some areas. Previous video shows you that, but for video quality is excellent. Slow motion, yeah, very good. But one question I was thinking to myself was, does it overheat? I know some Sonys have a problem with overheating after a short time, so I thought, well, let's give it a test. I have personally had it overheat on me a couple of times, but I haven't really took notice of how long it had been running, because it only actually shoots for 10 minutes for video capture, and then you have to restart it. So I've been doing short clips and I haven't really took notice. So today we'll do a test. We'll set it up, let it run for 10 minutes, restart it and keep going until we overheat the little beast, and we'll see what we get. So let's get it set up. So okay, I'll just show you the setup we're going to use to test the overheating on the X-T30. It's not very spectacular or scientific, but we'll soon see. And I'll be checking the temperatures with a infrared thermometer, so we'll see what that is. So this is the setup. So we've got the XT there, X-T30 sitting there. It's looking at an iPad here, which will have a timer on it. So it'll be running that timer. I will test the temperatures, we'll see what it's running at. We've got a full battery. I'm showing a full battery. We're at 30 frames a second in 4K 16:9. We'll press record. When it hits the 10-minute limit and switches off, I'll press record again, and we'll keep doing that until we get a overheating. So we'll get that running and see what we get. And the temperatures at the moment just sitting there is just sitting there. I've got the LCD away from the body just to help it a little bit, and we'll press record. Press at the same time, hopefully, and there we go. We'll leave that running and see what we get. Alright, so we're about to hit our first 10-minute session. Two timers might be out of sync a little bit. We've got no symbol for overheating yet, and we'll let it stop on its own. There we go, so it's stopped, and we'll restart it. So now we'll do a quick temperature. So we're staying around about the 30 mark. There's this area at the top here. Oh. So just about there we're getting 38. It's just around about this area here. Yeah, so it's just around here that we're getting 40. It's on this top edge where we're getting the most heat, 49. So we'll keep that going a bit longer. So we just started our third 10-minute slot. So we've done 17 minutes and just over 17 minutes now. I've got no symbols up yet. 47, 48, 49, 52 there. So we're getting a bit of heat, but not too much. So we'll see how much further we can get. Right, we've got 5 minutes to go. Let's just see what we're getting. 52, still no warning, and we've been running for 21 minutes. Right, we're down to 30 seconds on this one. We are 26 minutes of recording. Let's let this one go off, and we'll fire it up again. And off we go again. What temperatures have we got now? 58, 56, 57. So all the temperatures around this top, which I assume is what Fuji's using as a heat sink. All the temperatures down the bottom are quite low, even round on the battery compartment. Yep, but it's just this top edge, so that's obviously where the heat sink is. So we're coming up to the X-T3's recording limit of 30 minutes. So in theory you could use this alongside your X-T3 for 30 minutes. You just have to keep switching it back on after every 10. We've got no warnings yet. Oh yeah, we've just got a warning come up. Warning's just come up. Possibly just see it there. It says we're about to overheat. So, and that's 59 degrees at its hottest point, which is just there. So 59 degrees. We're still running now. Actual camera. Warm but not over warm. We'll probably run it out of battery before we overheat. Oh, we've now gone red, showing we're about to shut down. Hitting around about 60. We're on 32 minutes and we're just in the red, and we've got 2 bars of battery from a fully charged battery. Got 2 bars left. The hottest point is 60. Nothing around by the battery box. So I don't think it's a battery overheating problem. I would say it is the sensor. No, it's all up here. Yep, all up there. Oh, now we've got, camera's reached its maximum temperature. There, it's turned off. 35 minutes and 13 seconds on the clock when it finally turned off, and we were in the 60s. So there you go. 35 minutes, 13 seconds, nearly 2 bars of battery left, and it finally shuts down. With the hottest point I can record is 60 degrees, 61 degrees. So not bad. I wouldn't say it's a camera that will overheat quickly on you. That's why I suppose the Fuji have done a 10-minute record limit. You then switch off, it cools down a bit, and then you can carry on. So that's a look at the Fuji X-T30, and does it overheat? Yes, eventually. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. If you want to be notified, hit that bell button. Until next time, see you later.